Hi viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to explain about the non-primitive data structure dictionary, the properties. So dictionary format is key and value and it always defined or represented with the flower brush, and it is a mutable property, means if you want you can change the value through key and you can update a new value and you can remove it also. And dictionary is unordered, means which order you arrange the elements, the same order won't be printed if you have any keys or duplicate. So key can't be duplicate but value can be duplicate, and key can be integer, float or string. So little bit confusing, so don't worry, I'm going to show you the code through. I will explain one by one the properties, so please walk through with me. Let me open the Jupyter notebook. Please wait. So here is the file. So first, how to define a dictionary. Let's take dict1 is equal to flower brush. Just check what type it is. You can see the class is dictionary. So next, key can be as integer, float or string. So what it means, just take dict1 and it always defined inside of the flower brush. The format is key and value. So here I am taking like a name. This is value. This we can call it as a item. So key and value. Second item, age 10. Just print. You can see here the keys are in string form. So now if you want you can take key can be an integer. So just take the example here. Instead of giving the string 1101, let's take 1102. Let's print. You can see key can be an integer. Next, key can be a float also. Just take 5 and here 2. Now you can see. So the property of the dictionary, key can be an integer, float or string, anything. Key can't be duplicate. Let me take the example. So just take 1101 means again Python. Observe here, key is the same 1101 and 1101. That means that according to dictionary property, key can't be duplicate. But value can be duplicate. But here you can see it is not a duplicate value. Values are different but key is the same. You can see if I execute, you can see I defined 2 items here but output is only 1 item. So defaultly it taken like a 1101 Python. So this is unordered property. You can see it. Which order I arrange the elements, the same order haven't printed because of the duplicate key, and the order changed. Next, value can be duplicated. So take the example. Here I am going to take like a 1101 Charan and 1103 is the Python. You can take like a same Charan. Now you can see value can be duplicate. Here Charan and here also Charan, but observe this one, the key is different. So that's why value can be duplicate. Key can't be changed in the dictionary means once you define the key, that we not able to change it, but if you want you can add a new one. So how to add a new key? Just take the dict one of which key you want to add it, maybe 1104. You can add like a Java. So print of dict1. See the new key added. If you want you can change the value, that is possible. So maybe 1101, let me take the example here. So if I want I can change the value here. So 1101 means Charan. In place of Charan I want to replace with Sidhu. So just take the key through we can access the value. So key name is 1101 and here I am going to write the value is Sidhu. See the output. So key through you can change the value. And dictionary is unordered. Let me take this example. So I am going to take 1101 is Gita. Let's print. You can see order changed. Which order you have the elements, the same order haven't printed. That's why dictionary property is unordered. With the key we can access the value. What it means? Just take this example. So with the key we can access the value means just you can take the variable name. First you write the variable name. Key always write inside of the square bracket. So key here, yeah, but here the key it is a integer value, so we no need of representation of single quotes. So I want to access what is 1102 value. You can see. Key through you can access any value. Maybe I want to know what is 1103. It is Charan. So no indexing and no slicing because due to unorderedness. So if you want to access any value, key through you can access it. Key act as an index here. So these are the general properties of the dictionary. In next video, I am going to explain about the dictionary functions. So please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in next video. Thank you.